Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, I am servicing Northern California, servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, and all the surrounding areas. Yes, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, give me a thumbs up so you do not miss any of my new videos. Do you have hair loss? Well, I have a perfect solution for that. This is the anti-slip cap. Yes, my clients love it and it works absolutely perfect for anyone who is suffering from alopecia, short hair, thin hair, hair loss in the front, around the edges. And this is the beautiful style that I achieved. This is the game changer. It's a anti-slip crochet cap by Freetress. Yes, Freetress has done it again. This is an anti-slip crochet cap. It has holes throughout the entire cap, so you don't have to worry about your hair or scalp being smothered. It is actually a new product. As you can see, the patent is still pending. Again, it has anti-slip. There is a piece of material that is keeping this cap from slipping and sliding. You no longer have to worry about, is my cap going to be sturdy and is it going to stay still on my head? So if you are experiencing any hair loss, any hair damage, or you just want to protect your hair, this is the cap. Let me show you what it looks like. So again, there is a piece of material. The material is very smooth. When I say smooth, it is smooth. And it just clings to your forehead. It clings to your whole perimeter from the forehead all the way around in the back. It just kind of sticks and clings to your skin. It is very comfortable, and as you can see, it is all the way around 360. It's nice and stretchy. It has holes again throughout the entire cap, so your scalp and your hair is breathing. There are two combs, one in the front and one in the back. I will be removing the combs because I do not want these combs to stick in my client's hair, snag her hair, or any of that. So I will be removing it. And again, ladies, if you are tired of your cap moving, or if you are unsure about using the cap, try this one. Try it. So again, I will be taking this comb out, throwing that away, and here is the other comb. I'm going to remove that comb as well because again, I do not want these combs to be sticking in my client's hair as she is going to be getting a full sew-in. I will not be using any lace at all. And again, look at that material. Like when I say smooth, I really do mean it's smooth. And it just clings to your skin. So you don't have to worry about, is it going to slip and slide? Or is it going to turn any kind of which way? It is, when you put it on, it's stuck. It's stable. So I am going to apply it on my client's hair. So just watch the process. Look at that cap. I think it's very well constructed. Again, like I say, it's very stretchy. I think it fits medium to large size heads. If you have a really small head, it may be a little big, but medium to large size, I think it fits nice and snug. Not too tight, but just right. So again, if you are experiencing any hair loss, any hair damage, or if you just want to protect your hair and use a protective style, this cap is perfect. listen to what my client has to say about it.
I guess I see myself differently in the mirror than I see myself in pictures.
Yeah, I can feel the difference on this.
Is it tighter?
Oh yeah.
Is that going to be uncomfortable? Because you don't want it to be too uncomfortable.
It's so far it's so good. Yeah, it's not.